how to sell digital products on Shopify. So let's get started. First, you just have to log into your Shopify account and then go to products. And then what you want to do here is you simply click this add product button to add some products. So it's all about digital products. So let's just say we're going to sell ebook. So you have to type ebook here, and you can also add the title if you want to. So this time I have to type the ebook storybook. Okay, or you can also type ebook here. And in the description, so I can type the product title like Whispers of Eternity, a fantasy adventure. Then I can add some details of the ebook here. For example, the length, how many pages, okay, release date, price, and so on. Okay, you can also add reviews. Okay, so that is for the product description. Now for the upload item here or upload now, you can simply add here the cover photo of that ebook. So to create one, I'm going to introduce to you this Canva. So all you have to do is to log into Canva, go to create design, and then type ebook cover. And this is what it looks like. Now, if you don't know how to start, the easiest way here is to simply go to the search icon, enter some keywords like children, fantasy, something like that. Then you will see tons of, samples of cover photo here or cover for your ebook. Now, as you can see, I cannot use the one with the crown icon because that is for those who are using Canva Pro. But since I'm just using the basic version, so I can select from any of the basic or free cover photo here. Okay, so now I have chosen one, and all you have to do is simply edit some of the text, okay, the background if you want. You can even change the picture here if you want to. Okay, but for me, I just have to add or edit the text and words here because this is just for tutorial. Okay, so I have to paste it right here. Okay, adjust the position. You can even add the name or your name here if you're the author of this book. So you can type or enter your name here or the author of the book. Okay, so you can also change the picture or you can add something like a photo here. So all you have to do is to simply upload an image or you can go to elements and then search for something like fantasy. Then you can choose photos, graphics, everything is up to you. So let's just say I want to change the photo here to this. But also apart from that, you can also combine these pictures. All you have to do add the image or picture here and then locate the transparency so that you can adjust the transparency of this picture. But actually, everything is up to you. You can even search for some pictures about fantasy and replace the picture right here. So this is just for tutorial. I'm just trying to show you how easy this Canva is. I mean, you can simply do everything here. There are tons of templates here, there are tons of designs, and all you have to do is to simply search for that design or template that is related to your product. Once done, all you have to do is to tap share and then download. Now here, you just have to click this and then select the picture. Add it right here. You can add URL if you want. Now let's go to pricing. So you can add some price, compare price. Okay, everything is up to you. Now here, if you want to cost per item, yes, you can. But since we are selling digital products, so we don't need to tap this two boxes here. Okay, don't tap the shipping, physical product. You just have this uncheck that one. If you want to know more about the instructions and information about this digital product or digital selling on Shopify, you can tap this digital products or services to see more information about this. Now you can go up here and then select active for status. You can review some information and you can add some information here like product type, vendor, collections, tags, and so on. Once done, all you have to do is to click save. So to view your product on your store, you just have to go to products and then select the eye icon here. Okay, tap this, and this is what it looks like. So we have here ebook storybook, or you can just say ebook story. And then if you're a customer, you just have to click add to cart or buy it now. Now, let's just say You might be wondering how are you going to sell this or promote this product to increase your sale. Then you can, use your email address to promote your product. Now, if you don't want to do that, then you can also try this. You just have to go to settings, go to apps and sales channel, or you just have simply go to Shopify store and then look for this application, Big Digital Download. So since I have this already, so you can see open up. But if you don't have, then all you have to do is to click install. You will see an install button here. Tap install, read some information for you to know more about this digital or big digital download. And then once you tap this install, you will see here install application. You just have to tap that button. And that's it. Now you can go back to your Shopify homepage and there you will see this big digital download application. Okay, so now this is what it looks like. And what you want to do is to simply create or add a new digital product here. So to do that, you just have to tap this button at the top right corner. And then you have to tap select product. Okay, so choose the product, this ebook. And then after that, you can name that ebook here. Customer will get access to digital file. Okay. But actually everything is up to you. For digital products, you just have to tap again digital file. You can choose any of the following below. But let me just skip this one. Okay, so select the file, download the file here, the PDF. Suppose that this one is the ebook. And then below here, all you have to do is to click this. Yes, please send email to my customer. And then your customer can easily download this ebook. But of course, that customer should purchase it once. So how are you going to see or what does it looks like when the customer visits your Shopify store? Okay, so yes, they will see the following like add to cart or buy it now. So once they click this buy it now, then this is what it looks like. Here, the customer needs to enter his or her contact, email address, specifically. Okay, so payment transaction, you can choose cash on delivery, but actually you can change this one to your payment method on your Shopify settings. You just have to go to settings, go to payment, and you can change the payment method there. Okay, billing address, customer's billing address. And then, yes, after that, the customer can easily click this complete order. You will see a button that says complete order, and that's it. So once a customer tap it one, or once you tap it one, this is what it looks like next. So the customer will see this one. So this is the confirmation of your order or the customer's order. So that's it. And that's how easy it is. The customer will just simply download that ebook once he or she finished purchasing this item or product from your store. Again, if you want to change your payment method, go to settings, tap payments, and then change your payment method there. You can change it to PayPal, debit card, or cash on delivery. Everything is up to you. So if you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.